What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to go fishing. I'm not sure if there's even ice out there still yet. Hey, but I'm tired of being home. Most of the river is open, so I figured, hey, why not? Let's go out there and fish. So let's get to it, guys, and see you guys out there. Something, I had something came off. Some of you guys blade baits in winter, still good. Gotta bomb it out there. Try to keep the rod tip up. Oh, I got something. It's huge. Oh, it came off. I wonder what it was. Jeez, buddy. It's either a big old pike. There's something there. There's gotta be fish. I lost two things in the same spot. I got snagged on the tree. Oh, it's a fish. You guys see that? I snagged a giant carp. You see it? First fish of the year, guys. Trying to get it out here to shore. There he goes. That's it, right there. Woo! That was a fight. That was awesome. That's probably, I wonder if they're stacked there, guys. Let's see if there's more in there. Let's try not to lose this one. It's a red tail sucker, guys. You guys see that? It's a red tail. How about that, guys? Second fish of today. I finally landed this one. So this one's going to be the first fish on open water of 2022, guys. How about that? Yeah, buddy. This is for you, Nate. I told you I'll catch him first. Yeah, buddy. Look at that one. Beautiful fish. Never caught one of these in my life. This is my very first one. It's actually pretty beautiful fish, guys. Alright, guys. We're going to let this fish go. Let him thrive. And we're going to see if we can catch another one today before it gets too cold and too late, since the sun's starting to go down. So let's let this bad boy go. Hold on, let me turn around the camera. Look at that. There he goes. He was ready to go. Heck yeah, guys. Awesome fight. I lost probably like 5 or 6 of those, or even more. But it's a good start to the year. And we're gonna be coming down here quite a few times until the ice from the lakes thaws off, because the only thing we have available right now is the rivers. So let's get back out there. What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm gonna hit it here at this spot again. I was here yesterday. I ran out of time. It got dark and I forgot my sweater at the house. I started getting really cold, so that's the reason I decided to go home. But as I'm coming home from work, I'm noticing that the water in the river went up. Either it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but either that, we're going to continue. I'm going to give it a try, and hopefully we manage to catch a couple of them on the mouth this time. I'm like, it's cool if you snag one here and there, but I want to catch one in the mouth, guys. That's how you know it's a good fish. I want to catch a northern, a walleye, something like that, even a bass, smallmouth. But for now, we'll take whatever we could catch, guys. I'm hooked up, guys. Am I recording? Yeah. snagged another one. I think this is a white sucker. Looks like one. Come on, buddy. Trying to make you famous. Here we go. It's a white sucker. Woo! I'll take it, guys. Right now it's cold and the ice just went out. See if we can catch something better, bigger, and much braver. Come on, buddy. To the depths. Yeah. I'm hooked up. I think I snagged something else. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. I lost it. Damn, what was that? Couldn't tell. Oh, that was a good fight. Popped off right here in the edge. What up, guys? I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty tough. Didn't really want to snag those carp like I did. I was really trying to focus, hopefully catch a pike, because it's cold and walleye, and those type of fish love the cold water. Anyways, guys, did my best, came out here, fished, caught a couple carp, I snagged them. It's part of fishing, I guess. Anyways, guys, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share the video, make sure to comment on the video, and make sure to share the video with somebody that's into fishing or somebody that likes the sport of fishing. Until next time, guys, fish on, and I hope you catch a giant.